Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful, well, and everything in between. Thank you for watching my videos today. I always appreciate when you click on my videos and watch my channel. Thank you so much. And I do appreciate you guys subscribing and thumbs up this video. That will really help me a lot to let me know that you guys are really loving my videos, and I do appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to purchase these lashes, they are still available. $13.55 for 2 of them. I am wearing Joy today on my eyes, and she can be worn with your glasses. It's an amazing buy. $13.55 is not going to break the bank. You're going to send that to me through PayPal, free shipping and handling. Some people are assuming you're just going to be receiving 1 pack in the mail, but no people, no loves. You're going to be receiving 2. If you order Joy, 2 of Joy. If you order Just Girly, 2 of her. If you order Chance, 2 of her. If you want to mix them up as well, 1 Chance, 1 Joy, 1 Romeo, 1 Just Girly. However you want to place your orders will be fine. 2 of them will be coming in the mail, free shipping and handling. And again, $13.55. I am living in Canada, and of course that's all the taxes included, the HST, PSD, GST, all those taxes needs to be paid. So free shipping and handling, and it's going to be sent out to you. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be doing a week in my wardrobe, and you guys are going to be seeing some fashion coming up in just a moment. Also, if I can find the link, or if I remember where I got some of the fashions from, it's going to be in the description box for you guys as well. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know which one of these outfits are your favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. Please enjoy this video. Watch it to the end. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.
Lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know. Lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack, your cream, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, your cream, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, your cream, all the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give her rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give her rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man?